Welcome to Tasty Tech. Shane here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Cambodian rice noodle salad with shrimp. This salad is sour, sweet, salty, and spicy, yet manages to keep a really light feel. So let's go. We're gonna go ahead and scoop out the seeds of the cucumber just to keep it from getting soggy. So now that we have all our veggies in the strainer, we're gonna take some salt, 1.5 teaspoons. Just get it coated and mix it in. Now what this is doing is drawing out all the moisture so the veggies will stay crisp and flavorful. One pound of cooked shrimp. Just gonna get a nice, not too small, not too big. We want about a good piece like that. All right, and now we are going to do a quick boil with the rice noodles, no more than 3 minutes. I'm gonna go strain it, and then rinse in cold water. So now that we have our noodles rinsed in cold water, we're gonna take a pair of scissors and just snip them down to more manageable pieces. So now we are going to make our dressing. We have in this bowl here 1 cup of crushed roasted peanuts. We're going to take 6 tablespoons of lime juice, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of packed brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of chili sauce. Go ahead and mix that all together. Consistency-wise, because of all the peanuts, it's gonna stay pretty thick, but it's gonna be a nice, just as long as that sugar is kind of liquefied there with all that stuff, will be golden. There's our dressing. And now we're gonna go ahead, get a bowl, and take our rice noodles, our shrimp, our veggies that have been sitting in salt for 5 minutes. And we have some cilantro, some basil, and some mint here as well. So you're gonna want about a cup of the herbs total, and you can vary one for another, whichever, depending on preference. Let's mix it all up. Keep stirring until it's all mixed in well. You won't see any more of the white noodles here at the bottom. And I like a little extra peanut, additional crunch. And there we have it, our Cambodian rice noodle salad.